creating. So basically, it's like a fighting game. So you have sprinting. Don't mind all these. And then, you know, I'm baller, so I have ballers and all these different gears. It's actually wait. It's supposed to make a sound because and it's got this. Let me show you the other character. So this is how it works. It basically it's gonna start a character and then all I do is just put it all back in. When I go through all of them, so let's say we're gonna go to Rock League because that's the second one I made. Starter pack and then start a player. So yep, and it has this weapon. And then obviously a gravity coil. Let me see, yeah, follow this kid, follow the camera. I think it can kill these. Nah, because those are like those awesome gears. And try new. Start pack, start character. He's got a sun on his back. I don't know. Yeah, because the freaking ball is like making that weird sound. Got this bat. You know, bro. Yeah, I forgot when you do it full force. No, it's full power, so it should. Same with the frickin' shotgun. Should do that. So then, crap. I don't know how to like switch the characters in game. If someone can like tell me how to like make a game switcher, like something like that. No, that was correctly. I'm not gonna do restart. So restart. I don't know how I mean. Restart is like the freaking. Why is his head tilted? I swear his head is tilted. It's got this boing. You may remember that. Jesus, no. I don't think that can actually hurt you. Let me try. Oh, it does. It just respawns me immediately. And then this is... Wait. Yeah. You know, I could do some... I don't know moves. Movesets. But I'm not trying to... And then we got him, admin character, so... you might see what this is all about. So starter pack, start character. This is crazy. Just immediately, and it's not a rocket launcher, trust me. And then like you got the basic admin commands, commands, lol, whatever. So this game is probably, I'm gonna try to fix it a little bit, try to like do some tweaks, and it's probably just gonna be a scrapped one. I'm just gonna add more characters. I don't know. yeah, someone can like help me with like the character select because these tutorials freaking suck. Golly, that's low quality. Sigma, Sigma edits be like, hold up. I'm gonna create a Sigma edit. Please, someone edit this. Sigma, boy. You could back. No, you could. Sigma boy. Sigma boy. Sigma boy. Sigma boy. Okay, bye. Okay, bye, guys.